right now, the Mid-South Certified most accurate forecast.
Well, the thing is, it is cold out there. It's going to keep getting colder overnight. We're seeing our temperatures dropping all the way into the low 20s by tomorrow morning. Right now, we're at 29 degrees, so we are below freezing. We're going to keep falling. We've got a northern wind that's coming in that's been bringing in all this cold air. Right now, about 15 miles per hour here in Memphis. We've seen gusts anywhere from 25 to 30 through the day, and that's also affecting our wind chill. What a wind chill is, it's basically as you're sitting in any amount of air, you're radiating a layer of heat and warmer air around you. When the wind comes in, it knocks that layer off and exposes you to the raw temperature. So that's why it feels so much colder. That's why it makes it a little more dangerous to be out for extended periods. Fortunately, this is all overnight. So hopefully we're all warm in bed tonight, but those wind chills by tomorrow morning, if you're headed out to a bus stop, it's going to be in the low teens, so it is going to be very cold. You want to bundle up. Layers are the key, and covering up any exposed skin. Hey, the good news is, though, we are warming up over the next couple of days through the weekend. So we're just starting off in the 20s, so you can't go much else other than up from that. By the end of the weekend, though, we do have some rain coming through as well. Right now, we've got some clouds, high-level clouds rolling into the area, made for a pretty sunset this evening, but high pressure is going to clear those out as we head through our day on Friday. This high pressure is coming all the way from Canada, so that's why it's so cold. It's a very cold air mass coming in, but it will eventually move east. That brings a more southerly wind for us, and that brings a little more moisture, warmer temperatures as well, and that's when Sunday we'll start to see those rain chances coming in. It's going to be a pretty rainy day through the day as a warm front comes through. That's what brings in parts of those warm temperatures for us, but by the evening we have some heavy rain around the area. We do have another cold front coming down, but this one isn't going to be quite as potent. It's not going to be quite as cold, but we will cool things down by midweek. Looking at the rain totals over the next 7 days, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, so not a ton of rain, but still rain we haven't seen in a couple of weeks. Tonight, our low is going to get down to around 21 degrees, teens to our north, still 20s to the south of I-40 there. Around the area tomorrow, we're looking at highs only around 40 degrees. Your 7-day forecast, though, we warm things up very quickly back into the 50s Saturday and Sunday. It will be chilly for the marathon on Saturday morning in the 20s, but by Monday, we're back in the 60s.